Hey Kickstarter, it's late Sunday night and I finished editing the video for the update and I'm going to voice it over tomorrow before I send it out to you, and I hope you enjoy it, okay? Good morning, it's now early Monday morning and I'm starting the production on the blocks. I wanted to give a quick thank you to my buddy Takeshi, who saved all of this wood here from an industrial site that he used to work at that is now closing. You can read a little bit more about that in the update. I actually already have a lot of the blocks rough cut, and I'll be getting busy on sanding them and doing some final shaping. This is my sanding setup. It was a gift from my father-in-law, thank you Bob, and it's very effective. I expect to go through plenty of those belts and discs in the next few weeks. In the last week I've been working a lot on the picture frames, and they end up being a very good test of my equipment setup for precision and also safety and just generally getting everything ready to go. And here I am moving really fast on my miter saw. This is what I use to cut all angles with really quickly. Before I get to that, I cut those strips out on a small table saw, much like this one. This one is now kind of my secondary machine. I'll give you a chance to see my primary machine in the next update. Right here I'm cutting the groove where the glass fits in for each frame. I tend to cut that first. I bring it back to this machine and I start cutting the angles out and fitting the frames together. It's actually taken me several years to achieve a level of precision that I'm really happy with now. It's not a straightforward thing to get a frame to fit together perfectly. If one of those angles is off by even a half a degree, the whole frame there's little joints and little spaces between. After I glue them and clamp them, then I just have some finishing work to do on them. I buy my glass at Orchard Supply Hardware. It's all the little cut-off pieces that they can't really sell, so I get them for $1 or $2. I sand off the edges so that they're safe to handle, and I then cut a small piece of cardboard that just tightly fits in there and squeeze it in the back. Finally, I want to show you the Shopsmith tool that I use, and it is a beautiful piece of American engineering. If you have even an ounce of techie in you, or maybe you enjoyed the cartoon Transformers growing up, then you'll enjoy seeing this footage. This is my old Shopsmith. I have a newer one that I'll do a more extensive tour of in the next update. This particular machine was again a gift from a friend a while back, and I've since learned how to use it, and it's become my primary tool. In order to go from hobby to production, I needed a lot more safety and precision, so I went on Craigslist and got a really good deal on a newer model of the Shopsmith, which I can show you next time. This is obviously not the safest machine with a lot of exposed parts that I use every day. And next time I will take you on a short salvage mission to grab some more materials from a construction site and save them from the landfill. I hope you enjoyed that, and please check back in with my next update in a couple of days after the demolition happens. Actually right next door. Right there. Good night, everyone.